Hello viewers, let's look at how to form quadratic equations using fractional roots. Now imagine that we have two fractional roots of a given quadratic equation as x equal to 2 over 5 and or s equal to negative 3 over 7. The first thing you do is to equate separately that x to each of the roots. Let x be equated separately to each of the roots as shown here. Then you cross multiply with the denominators below. The 5 the cross multiply to the other side x, and 7 as denominator of 3 will go to x to give us 5x equal to 2 and 7x equal to negative 3. You push all values to the left hand side to make the equation equal to 0 as you have seen here. Positive 2 crosses to meet 5x, that will give us 5x minus 2 equal to 0 and 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Then since both are equal to 0, you join the two equations as shown below. They will all be equal to 0. You expand the expression in brackets to have the quadratic form as shown. You have it in this quadratic form when you expand it. So these two are having the same terms. So you are going to simplify it to give us something like this. That is 35x squared plus x minus 6 equal to 0, which is now the required quadratic equation. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.